Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to use Bitrix and how to use Bitrix as CRM. So as you can see, we are at bitrix24.com, and you can see on the top that Bitrix24, your ultimate team workspace. So here you can enhance your collaboration, you can manage projects, and also CRM. So what is CRM? Is customer relationship management. So right now you can see that if you go in collaboration, you can see that chats and video calls, online meeting feed, calendar, and CRM, and there's a lot of things which we are going to measure in this video. So make sure to watch this video to the end, and let's get started. So as you can see over here that start for free. So right now we are going to start for free because this is the very basic tutorial and how to use tutorial. So as you can see over here, you can use your Google account, which I am going to use it. Click on it and it will take you right over here. Scroll down until you will find your own email. Click on it and it will start working on it. You can see on the left side, you can read that your company is United, free, unlimited, online. It will start working on it, and as you can see over here, like, thank you, and your Bitrix is being created now. You just have to wait for it. It will create, and here it is. So go to bitrix.com or bitrix.24. So now as you can see over here that select your Bitrix 24 most used items. So they are asking that what things are you are going to use over here on this website. So as you can see over here, CRM, tasks and project, collaboration and sites. So obviously you can choose it from here, and you can choose it later if you want, like I'll decide later. So I'm just going to click on I'll decide later. So this is the dashboard as you can see over here, and we are at feed as you can see. So what is feed? So just assume that you have so many members in your company and you have added them over here in this Bitrix website, and whatever they are going to do in their project and in their work, it will be updated over here like automatically. You don't need to do anything. It's like a Facebook, like whatever people are going to do in your friends zone, like Facebook will update you in their news feed. So same goes to here. So how you are going to invite your team members? So on the left side you can see there are multiple menu options over here, and right beneath you can see invite users, or you can just go ahead and click on here invite users. Once you click on it, you can invite over here, click on it, and you can see this is the link of my newsfeed, my profile, which is Saeed Imran, and I can share it with anyone who I want to invite and whatever my employees and my customers are. So you can also send them via email or phone, bulk invitation, invite to your department. We will talk about what is department. Add new users. You can add their name, email, position, and add them in your department or work group. We will talk about department, so just remember that, and you can save it after that if you want. So for now it's just a tutorial. I'm just letting you all know that how you can invite your employees and like your customers and everyone else. So what you can do now, like on the left side you can see there are multiple menu over here, menu options over here, and chat and calls. Once you have added some people from your company, click on chat and calls, and you can see and you can find your employees over here. So you will find them over here, and if you click on here you can see that you can just take a break, away, don't disturb, and online, or you can just go ahead okay, or you can just go ahead, click on here, and you can ask them privately, you can ask them personal chat, or you can just do HD video conference with all of your employee member. Just remember that this is the free program, so they are allowing you to have those features in free program. So I think it's a lot. So you can obviously change multiple settings like notifications, and you can set channels, you can phone call if you want, obviously. So this is where you are going to chat and collaborate with your employees. So from now on we are going to cover four topics, like how to adjust tasks and projects, how to adjust company, how to adjust CRM, and last one will be pricing. So for now we are going for the tasks and projects. So you will find on the left side over here, as you can see, click on tasks and projects, and it will take you right over here. So obviously we haven't created any task over here, and we are going to create it. Like how? Just click on new task over here, and you can see there what things to do. Like you can write anything over here, you can write description, everything, file, documents, you can mention anyone if you want to mention anyone. You can quote it, checklist, and add to checklist if you want. Obviously I am the responsible one who has created this task, and you can add more if you want, like if there are multiple observers and participants over here. And you can set deadline, and obviously task status summary. If you want that, you can also do that. If you click on more, you can see there what project is all about, time tracking, remind about the task. There are multiple extra features right down below which you can do according to your business idea and your plan, obviously. And just go ahead and do add tasks, or you can just go ahead and create new one while adding this task to your task list. Wow, like as you can see over there, add task and create another one. So obviously I'm not creating every single thing over here. And you can also set the priority, high priority for this task, so it will show up like high priority, obviously. So if you add task, it will show up over here. Obviously if you have set some like deadline, you can just go ahead and click on deadline, and you can see only deadline task. Like obviously it will filter them out. And you can also do with the planner, calendar. If you have set like something calendar related to calendar, you can just go ahead and do that. And if you want to go like you want to create a project, obviously these are task force individual person if you want to set them, or you want to set the team for particular projects. You just need to click on particular like projects, and it will take you right over here, create a project. And obviously they will ask information about your project, like what projects you want to create for your team. And I don't know why it's taking so much time, so I don't know why it's not opening over here, even though my internet is working fine. But it is very similar to tasks. You just need to add information, you just need to add your employee name and your and his email, obviously. And that's it. So if we go ahead and click on company now, and it will take you right over here. So what is going on over here? So if just suppose you have 3 members added to your business, and they will show up over here like this is me, obviously. You can just move them around, obviously, and it will work for them also. So you can just name them accordingly, like it's account department, it's marketing department, and sales department. And you will also like connect them to different departments. If you want to add them, you can add them from here, add department. And obviously I'm the one who's setting up every single thing. So if I want to add someone in the accounts department, I can just grab him and put him over here or here. It's all on me, obviously. So this is how you are going to manage your company structure. Obviously you can delete it if you want, you can add it, you can rename it if you want. So it's very easy. So yeah, so this is all about company structure. And if you go at CRM right now, like over here, so here we are. As you can see, this is where we are going to add our deals. So if we click on over here like add, it will open up multiple options for you, and you can add the name, you can add the amount, you can add the currency if you want. And obviously stage and date, client name, and their company. If you want to add them, you can also do that and go ahead. And what are the type of it, what is the deal type, source information, and every single thing you want to add for your deal. So and just go ahead and just click on save, and it will show up over here, obviously. So if you want to see like Kanban, so right now you can see that this is the Kanban. And if you want to add quick deal, just click on quick deal, and obviously you can add the details from here too. And obviously contact center, if you click on it, it will open up this department. And you can contact center, you can set them accordingly. And it's a very big step. And but for this tutorial and for this like beginning tutorial, I think it's enough to know like how you are going to add them, how you are going to add these. Obviously you can just like list them if you want to view as list or calendar. And obviously you can just click on here and you can change them also. So this will work for every single thing, and it will work accordingly. You can just import data from like a spreadsheet if you want, it will show up over here easily, very easily. So this is all you need to know about Bitrix24, and I believe you have understand every single thing. And for this platform, like it's giving you multiple options like project management, CRM, enhanced collaboration, and projects and tasks. So there's a lot of things which you can do. Like you can also do HD conference calls. So and obviously we have feed over here. So these are multiple things. And for the small businesses, I guess this website is very good. So I hope you like this video, and before we go, just check them out, like what are the pricing they are giving. And obviously you can just click on this tab and you will find them over here. And you can see that we were using this option, which is 100% free. Obviously you can see over here, and you can just go ahead and look out like what things you need. Obviously for the beginning and for the beginning purpose, I believe you just stick with this free version, and it's a lot. Believe me, it's a lot. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned something from it. So please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any queries, please comment down below. Bye bye.